The Derivatsiya PVO represents a modern, Russian-designed self-propelled anti-aircraft gun (SPAAG) system of the new generation. This system operates on a tracked, lightly armored vehicle equipped with a rapid-firing automatic gun. Uralvagonzavod, located in Nizhny Tagil, Russia, developed this SPAAG in response to a military requirement for a self-propelled, lightweight anti-aircraft system capable of denying enemy airspace at low altitudes. Trials for this vehicle were anticipated to commence by the conclusion of 2018. The vehicle's chassis is built upon the framework of the later models of the BMP-3 Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, a platform known for its ability to handle off-road conditions and regular road travel. The overall structure of the hull is consistent with the general design of the BMP series, featuring a nearly horizontal glassy plate at the front, a flat roofline, and smooth sides and rear panels. The armor protection is designed to withstand small arms fire and artillery fragments, with careful consideration given to mitigating damage from mines beneath the vehicle. Positioned atop the vehicle's hull is an unmanned, remotely controlled turret capable of complete 360-degree rotation and an undisclosed range of elevation adjustment. The driver occupies the front left section of the hull, accompanied by the vehicle commander on the right. The power pack is located at the rear of the hull. The hull's sides are outfitted with 6 sets of double-tired road wheels, while the drive sprocket is positioned at the front and the track idler at the rear. The hull also features 3 track return rollers, safeguarded by side armor referred to as skirts. The main armament of the vehicle consists of a single 57mm S-60 autocannon capable of high-angle, rapid fire. An independently operated 7.62mm machine gun is positioned on the right side of the turret, offering its own distinct elevation capabilities. Additionally, the turret is equipped with 12 smoke grenade launchers, providing a self-concealment measure. The primary cannon is derived from the towed version of the AZP-S-60 single-barreled anti-aircraft artillery (AAA) gun system, proven effective against low-flying targets, light armored vehicles, and other soft targets encountered on the battlefield. The crew has access to high-explosive, fragmentation (HEFRAG) rounds for engaging soft targets and armor-piercing (AP) rounds designed for armored targets. Both types of rounds are said to possess guided features for accurate long-range engagement, along with a remote fuse setting enabling precise and controlled detonation of individual rounds.